is Reham Fatima and I'm currently a student of grade 11 studying at Kunskapsskolan Lucknow. I transferred from a conventional school and when I joined I was offered a wide variety of subjects rather than a predetermined set. My subjects currently are history, sociology, legal studies, English elective and computer science. Humanities with CS seems to be a weird combination, but for me personally I believe that computer science is something which is really important in this technology related world. Also, as someone who is pursuing a career in law, I feel like legal studies is also something which is really important for me, and I have been able to gain exposure through motor courts, which helped me to understand how a court functions in real life. Apart from that, I have also had the opportunity to conduct field works for sociology, which helped me understand the concept of social stratification. And for English elective, we have also launched a drama club, which helped me to gain the skills of being a part of a drama club. So in the past 8 months, I have been able to see myself develop as a person and as a student.